Thank you to everyone who participated in UA Giving Day. With your support, we can create a stronger future together.
Thank you for all your support.
Thank you, UCibelli Coal Mine, for participating in UA Giving Day and launching the first Bachelor of Applied Management Scholarship.
As an alumni, staff member, and ambassador, thank you.
Thank you for your participation in UA Giving Day.
Thank you for participating in UA Giving Day and changing the lives of students one gift at a time.
Thank you, UCibelli Coal Mine, for participating in UA Giving Day and supporting the UCibelli Homeland Security and Emergency Management Program.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you to all of you.
Thank you to everyone who participated in UA Giving Day. With your support, we can imagine a stronger future together.
Thank you.
Thank you to the School of Management community and to all of you who participated in the first ever UA Giving Day 2020.
Thank you to all that have participated in the UAF Giving Day.